Welcome. My name is Peter Strong, and I offer counselling via Skype. Skype therapy is a very convenient option if you are living abroad or if you're living in a area where it's difficult to find a psychotherapist to work with. If it's a rural area or if you're living in a foreign country, it may be difficult to find a local therapist. Also, a lot of people are looking for alternatives to the sort of traditional uh, medical approach to psychotherapy. Um, they, a lot of people are looking for newer styles of psychotherapy, such as CBT or mindfulness therapy, which is what I offer online. Um, it's about really learning how to take charge of your own emotional well-being by learning practical, effective skills and methods for overcoming your anxiety or depression or other emotional suffering that is affecting the quality of your life or relationships. Um, the mindfulness techniques that I teach, and offer online in these counseling sessions is particularly effective for overcoming anxiety. And I would say probably 90% of my clients um, have been struggling with anxiety for many years. Often they have seen countless conventional therapists and have tried medications and are still not able to break free from their anxiety or panic attacks. When I talk to people in this position, it becomes immediately clear that even though they have done all this work on their anxiety or panic attacks, um, they've never actually looked at the mechanism that produces that anxiety, the underlying emotional reactivity, and how that works. It's really important to actually look and see how the anxiety works. And this is one of the characteristics of mindfulness therapy. Rather than talking about your anxiety or your family history or trying to uncover repressed memories or other potential trigger points for your anxiety, we're really examining the mechanism of how it operates right now, because that's what you can change. You can change the actual structure of the emotional reaction itself through mindfulness. This often involves looking at the imagery of the emotion. This is quite an interesting area for most people. All emotions are based around psychological imagery that forms in the mind. That imagery essentially is an organizing principle that holds that emotional energy together and creates an emotion like anxiety or depression or anger. They will all have different imagery. During mindfulness therapy, we take a great interest in uncovering this imagery. We look at it by focusing on the emotions themselves directly to see what is there. So this very direct approach is a characteristic of mindfulness, and mindfulness therapy, as I teach it and have developed over many years now, really focuses on helping you change the imagery of the emotions, because when you change that, you change the emotion quite significantly. The imagery is an absolute requirement for an emotion. If you change the imagery, you change the emotion. So that's one aspect of mindfulness therapy. If you'd like to learn more, go to my website and learn more on the website. Please contact me to schedule a Skype therapy session so you can see for yourself how effective the mindfulness approach can be for producing real change in anxiety and panic attacks and other forms of emotional suffering. Thank you.